Go hard yan.
Yeah. One of the legends to come
Yan
out.
legend talaga.
Mr. Excitement.
Nabutan ko sa pro na eh. Pero pagka kinukwento nila Coach Rodney, usay niya.
Nico Aguilar drops in a triple as we begin in the fourth quarter. Coach Hammer.
Okay, down 15.
Ito, yeah.
Down 15 ha. Ito, sinabi ko sa iyo kanina. The start of the fourth, bola nila down 15. Below 10, 8 minutes. Very good striking distance yan. They're settling on a zone right now.
They swing it around. Sanko. Sanchez. Lalapit. Play broken up. Ball is loose. Ball is with Sanchez. But San Sebastian gets a stop.
Okay lang. Tama. Good defensive stop by San Sebastian. And Nico Aguilar, Justin Sanchez. Parehas madiin maglaro. Pero they respect each other. And konting background, Coach Arvin Bonleon and Justin Sanchez has a very good relationship.
Ooh.
Tama, that's sa Stony Inot because they played on their semi-pro team.
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
Ngayon, pinapaalala ko lang sa'yo.
Okay.
Kasi kinover natin yung dalawa.
Yeah.
Yan. Dyan.
Now I remember. Alright.
Merong ano yan, merong tsaka si Coach Embons, nandun din.
Okay.
Coach Noy, Bonleon.
Oh, Paegare! Cutting the lead down to 11. Back-to-back threes to begin the fourth for San Sebastian. And coach, we have a ball game.
Yep. And this is where San Sebastian really grinds it out.
Yeah.
Sa dulo. Kaya kahit na lalamangan mo ng 30, kampante sila eh.
Yeah.
Na didiin at didiin sa dulo.
Inot off to the right. Loose and live. Last touch on Paeng.
Si Rep Glenn Cornelio. Hindi ka pwede humingi ng contest. Coach mo lang yung pwede humingi ng challenge.
Sabi niya review mo.
Kaya nga coaches challenge.
Yeah.
Kaya siya coaches challenge.
Pwede mong gawin yan pag 2 minuto na lang. Pwede mo yung sabihin.
Automatic. It's an automatic.
Yeah.
With our officials, especially if it's determining ball possession.
Yeah.
3-point shot.
Sanchez for 3. Too strong. And here comes San Sebastian looking to bring down the lead to a single digit.
At saka merong point of attack yung San Sebastian. Tatlo yan. Actually, 4 yung nasa loob ngayon ha.
Yeah.
Na umaatake. Aguilar, Are, itong si Gabat, saka Espino. Kaya lang, sayang turnover.
Yeah. Sanko on the move. Sanko had to adjust. Wala. Pelebrico pushes. Natapitan sa likod ni Mark Sanko. And now we go courtside. Here in the fourth quarter, nandito ulit si Alia Fedeliaga. Alia, go ahead.
Martin and Coach Hammer, I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but Coach Charles Yu always has coffee during the game. So I asked him why, and he said he just simply loves to have a sweet cup of Zeus coffee during the games. And while it's not his pre-game ritual, it's possible na baka coffee pala ang sikreto sa great and energetic start ng Benil Blazers. Kidding aside, despite the lead, Coach Charles reminded the men in green and white to relax, keep pushing, and play great defense. That's all from courtside. Back to you, Martin and Coach Hammer.
Thank you so much, Alia. Libre kasi yung kape ni Coach Charles.
Double shot ng espresso. I have to try that.
Not only is he a good coach, a very good coach, but he's also a good brand ambassador,
Yes.
apparently. Coach Charles Chu.
Platform. Platform.
Tony Inot puts out the fire, at least.
Kailangan na
For the
kailangan
moment.
yung basket na yun. So again, sasabi ko kanina, 12-point, manageable,
Yeah.
under 8, be at striking distance, gotta control the boards.
Oh! Napunta sa biniyog. Nakasabi mo ng coach.
Hihinto yan.
Gabi Cometa has 6. 5 now on the clock. Morales. Masyado malakas. Inot collects another rebound. Tony Inot now with 7 boards. Inot lobs it up. Uy!
Di nabasa ni Morales. Kasi nabasa ni Tony, nakapatong si Gabat. Kung tinaas niya yung kamay niya, libreng layup. Kasi nakatingin pa sa baseline, tinitignan ni Morales kung nasan siya, parating na yung bola.
Yeah. 3 minutes having going by here, or having gone by rather here in the fourth. Leonard Velasco, wala. Gabby Gometa. Liwag. Inot. Sanchez is doubled. Uy!
Turnover na naman.
Substitution.
Wow. Teka.
For Leo Velasco. Time out.
Time out muna tayo. Magse-set up ng play. Si Coach Arvin Bunleon. Kailangan nilang makashoot. We'll get back to it in just a little bit.
Pagsandan falls attacking to the basket.
Lead is down to 2 for Benilde. Torres. Sanko. Pumomba sa ilalim. Mendez. Sanchez cleans it up. Meta. Nagmamadali. Hooktom. Nope. Nalunod sa ilalim si Joshua. Harvey doesn't have the numbers. Challenging Liwag to no avail. Back the other way. Balik sa ating laban, fan cam naman. Mga fans ng San Sebastian,
Nagsasubmit ng homework.
nabubuhayan.
Nagsasubmit ng homework.
Grabe naman.
Consistent.
Multitasking ha.
Consistent.
Watching, supporting while studying. Oh, di ba? Pero ito nabubuhayan na sila Coach Hammer kasi nabababa na ng San Sebastian yung abante ng Benilde. But this is still a 13-point lead. Fans of the Blazers a little bit anxious. Pero tiwala sila sa kanilang kupunan na mamaintain nila to. Alright. Fourth quarter. 6:36 left. Benilde
10 seconds.
with the possession coming up. And for the Blazers really making and saving their day here in the fourth quarter, Coach, are their offensive rebounds. Trigger man is Gabby Cometa. Oh, knockout play! Beautifully ran by the Blazers. And
5 small. 5 small
Yeah.
to eh. Naka 5 small ang Blazers. So tingnan natin kung anong gagawin nila. Naka 55 pa rin sila rito. Naka man-to-man defense. So if I was San Sebastian, I would key in on Escobedo. Sino nakakuha sa kanya? Itong si Liwag.
Gabat. No. Ooh, Aguilar is called for the foul. Because Tony Inot had a better position in that sequence. So 82-67 tayo, Coach. Benilde getting a stop. Important for them to get that one to prevent a San Sebastian rally. Zenic Harke.
So on the flip side here, I want, if I was Coach Charles, I would look for a straight post action and then to snap. Kasi ang liit ng bantay ni Allen Liwag.
Yeah.
Well, you can say that to 90% of the league. Pagkakalaban ng Benilde, na maliit ang bantay ni Allen Liwag. Because not every team has the size.
Yeah.
So kailangan daganan mo na ng daganan.
Si Felebrico ang kukuha kay Liwag dito because again, he's the lone quote-unquote big man on this small San Sebastian lineup. That's 6'2 against 6'6. And Benilde throws it away.
Daming turnovers ng Benilde to start off the fourth quarter. Gotta clean it up for the stretch run dahil 15-point lead.
Pangatlong miscom to, Coach.
Actually, 4 na
Apat
turnover.
na. So Nico Aguilar. Okay, for San Sebastian, you're getting stops. You gotta convert on your end. Escobedo splitting the D. Oh! Wala! Gabat cleans it up.
Yan ang gusto nila. Crash boards, sundot, high gamble defense.
Yeah.
Yan talaga yung gusto nila eh. Na tataasan nila yung possession, babanggayin nila ng babanggayin. Hindi get away with it because they're guards.
Yeah, that's true. Kick out. Harke is open. Too strong. Liwag. Offensive rebound. Allen Liwag.
So a little bit winded na rin si Allen Liwag
Yeah.
in this game. Pero the most basic thing is to go straight post for Allen Liwag. Sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, ito crashing the boards.
Escobedo
Gabat.
misses. Oh, Gabat just collects and puts it back in. Allen Liwag.
Pag nakakita kasi ako ng mga ganyan, naalala ko na mga Eric Meng,
Eric Ming.
Alvin Patrimonio, Coach Jerry. Di ba? Pagka endgame, mismatch, kahit anong mangyari, pasa mo dun sa big man.
Yeah,
Kasi may mag-a-adjust yung depensa eh. Lalo na ganyan kahusay.
that's right. Although the-
Papa-anchor ka lang, dyan ka lang sa may left block. Kasi pag pumihit ka sa kanan, kaya mong jumampok eh.
correct.
Tsaka expect mo na pag nahawakan niya, hahampasin ka eh. So may free throw tayo.
That's right. this sequence. 1 out of 2 for
Aha.
Allen Liwag.
So tignan natin kung medyo magka-wavelength kami ni Coach Charles dun
Okay.
sa kung gagawin niya yung straight post. Kasi nakakakuha sila sa mga kick-out ni Allen Liwag eh.
Yeah. Nico Aguilar. Paeng. Paeng! Lakas. Loose ball ending up with Morales. On! Nanakawan ni Escobedo. Remart. Remart. Gabat. No. Teka lang.
Uy, technical.
Wow.
Making a foul.
So that's on
Sa
Gabat?
Sebastian.
Oo.
Okay, Gabat.
So technical free throw will be taken by Tony Inot. Sa San Sebastian, libre si Aguilar dito kanina, no?
Aha.
Sa right elbow. Pero si Gabat yung nahanap.
Top of the key, nag-triple switch lang dito yung Binild dahil same size eh. Same size
Yeah.
lang yung mga guards. So kahit sino mapunta kay Allen Liwag, kampante sila na kayang dumipensa ng one-on-one.
Yeah.
On the flip side, kung ako naman San Sebastian, I would want to attack the big guy. Kasi if Allen Liwag is right there outside and you have one of your better attackers like kanina si Escobedo, yeah, let him cook.
Yeah.
And then let's test his laterals.
Ooh.
Mamaya, hindi ba pasa kay Liwag sa ilalim yan?
Ito, coach, oh. Ito
One more pass.
Foul na itinawag kay...
Pwede kasing landing spot
Pwede.
dahil paabante si Morales.
Oo.
Hindi naman, tsaka ganun talaga jump shot si Gabat.
Yeah.
Pero technical yung tawag. Baka, kasi yung angle natin pag ganun eh.
Oo.
So may warning na rin kasi kanina.
Second infraction, ano? So Inot connects on the free throw. So Benild will still inbounded full court.
Yep. Up by 15.
Halfway done dito sa ating fourth quarter. Oh, Heike is swarmed. And San Sebastian gets another steal. That is their 12th takeaway of the game. Look at this. Those two San Sebastian defenders saw red when Harke received the ball.
Good defense. On that poke. Yun ang kailangan nila. Kung kailangan nila isa pa scorer, eh, no? Bong Alba, nasa dulo ng bench.
Oh, nandun na.
Legend
Nakalipat
yan.
na. Rex Gabat. Aguilar. Aguilar ilalapit. Escobedo. Atake. Raymart. Steps on the break.
And one.
Signature shot. And one para dito kay Raymart Escobedo.
So mukhang yung offhand ni Tony Inot yung tinawagan. So off that kick out. Tingnan natin yung kamay ni Tony Inot on the left.
Wala.
Interesting call by our
Yeah.
referee.
Yeah. It came
Oo,
after
kasi kanina
the shot.
nakita natin yung replay kay Are.
Yeah.
Pero again, refs have a better vantage point. It's a 12-point game.
22 puntos na para kay Escobedo. Liwag is fed underneath. Ang ganda na, wala nang choice ang San Sebastian. Only to foul Allen Liwag. Tony Inot has been on attack mode here. Yeah, that's on Paeng. So only a brief action mula dito kay Leonard Velasco dahil palit na kaagad si TJ Filibrico para sa Baste.
Huminga lang ng konti. Mukhang nagpalit ng sapatos.
Oh,
Palit lang ng sapatos.
pang endgame ba to?
Oo.
Ayan. Allen Liwag to the line. Split his charities in the previous trip.
You see him a little bit more winded.
Yeah.
Dahil extended minutes din si Allen Liwag.
Yep.
One of the league leaders when it comes to minutes played.
Yeah, he's played the most minutes so far for the Blazers. 27
Oh,
minutes.
definitely.
Yeah.
If you have a workhorse like that, run it to the ground.
Yeah.
Yan talaga ang logic eh. Para Kaya pagka best player ka ng team, kailangan ready ka na maglaro ng 40 minutes every game.
Correct. Ooh, misses 2.
Tsaka hindi nakakapagod yung takbo, yung bangga ng bangga.
Celebrico. Are. TJ to Raymart. On the roll is Celebrico who scores. Lead is down to 10.
Sanay sila maglaro ng maliliit eh. Tsaka sanay sila na weave, tapos may mga dumadive na biglaan na lang. Instinctive players.
Yeah. Jomel Ancheta.
Good matchup.
This is Are versus Ancheta.
Tsaka sanay din maglaro to ng winning basketball, yung Ancheta.
Oo.
Galing tong batang to sa endgame.
Harke is hounded. They swing it to Jomel.
Uy,
Who
yun
lost
lang.
it?
Tsaka 2 seconds on the shot clock ha.
So San Sebastian gets a crucial stop. Look at this. Escobedo finding Celebrico who stayed patient inside. Raymart. Medangan ng bola. Escobedo will create. Celebrico. Paeng. Are. Crosses over. Are puts it up.
Two shots?
Gets the whistle.
Pwedeng mangingisda itong mga player ng San Sebastian. Laging nakakadagit ng foul. Nakakurso na daan. Bail out eh.
Yeah.
Breakdown. Ang hirap na ginagawa nila. Kung ako yung Celebrico nasa top of the key, clear out na. Kasi nakita natin medyo pagod na yung liwag eh. Clear out na, isolatein mo na. Kasi baka yung pa yung makakuha ka na.
Mancom representative of EAC, Dr. Lorenzo is watching. His team coming off a big win over LPU. Last time out, Paeng Are to the free throw line. He has 15 points so far. Paeng, no problem on the first.
Ang hirap kalaban ng San Sebastian. Sabi ko sa'yo, pag alam mo, malalaki yung lamang nito kung natatawid nila yung second tsaka third quarter. Kasi yun, nakita mo yung mga tabi-tabi na yun. Tabi nila Lance Ronquillo, Lance Masiglat. Yung mga yan, next year pa kasi eligible.
Pag dumating na yan.
Oo. Masahaba yung rotation eh. Tapos may isang taon pa si Paeng Are, di ba? I think may 1 year pa si Paeng.
Meron pa. Coach, second half points natin.
39.
Abante ang San Sebastian so far, kaya nakabalik sila dito.
That's what you need to do.
This is the closest they've been to. Liwag posting up. Oh!
Offensive pa.
Wow! Raymart Escobedo
Kasi alam
took
niya
a
eh.
gamble on the poke.
Alam niya eh, na merong double. Ito, nung unang hawak niya, you have to clear it out eh. Kasi yung double will be coming off the baseline.
Ayun,
Kampante yung Escobedo na pag binitawan niya, sumundot siya, may sasalo na Celebrico sa likod.
Yeah.
Good presence of mind na marunong tong Escobedo.
Turnover count. Look at the number for Benio. 22 turnovers forced by Baste.
12 in the second half. And I think in the fourth quarter, nakaka-anim na sila o 7.
8-point game. Are. Gabat! The lead is down to 6. It's another San Sebastian fourth quarter comeback. Off the bench for Lozano.
Magkakamukha, magkakatindig yung mga player ng Jerry. Di mo na alam sino yung pupukol ng pupukol eh.
They send it back out to Goho Cruz.
Good
He will
challenge.
pull the trigger, but he will knock it down. And that's the scoring caliber that he has. 7 points for the rookie, Mark Goho Cruz. Back to the coverage. Fourth quarter action. The Stags coming back from 26 points down to cut the lead down to 6. Rex Gabat providing the goods inside.
Kailangan lang pala tumayo dun si Mr. Excitement. Di, pero alam mo Marta, sabi ko nga eh, nung start the coverage, basta nandoon sila sa striking distance,
Yeah.
hindi titiklop tong Basti na to eh. Hindi talaga tumitiklop.
And they're starting to find the magic again.
Kasi sinasabi ko nga, hindi natatalo tong Basti, nauubusan lang ng oras eh. Yun doon sa lima nilang talo.
Oh, they get the steal. Escobedo for 3. No. Gabat. Are. They will wait.
Yan, ISO naman nila kay Sinot. Uy!
Paeng! Kaboom! It's a 3-point game.
23 to kanina.
Oh,
Ilan ang highest lead natin?
26.
26.
Oh. 12-0 run. Liwag! Down it. Ooh, hold on.
No basket. So, nauna yung technical foul. So, tingnan natin, ha? Kasi pumito na.
Before that,
Oo.
12-0 run by San Sebastian.
Tinanggap niya yung buong balikat ni... Ito mo na yung huling 3-point shot. Paeng-ari. Bumukol. Bakit nga naman hindi? Pinaunlakan tayo. Wala, pre. Kumpiyansa na lang yun.
Yeah. Ito, Allen Liwag doing the right thing for Benilde.
Kasi yung angle natin dito, kita tinamaan. Kasi ang laki ng balikat ni Liwag.
Liwag.
Usually on the post, you want hip eh. Hip.
Yeah.
I-marcha mo ng hip, bangga, ando doon ka. Yung pagbomba niya, tumama yung balikat. So pwedeng tawagan ng foul, pwedeng tawagan ng charging. Definitely hindi mo pwede tawagan ng flop kasi tinamaan eh.
Correct, correct.
So basket, technical pa, yun lang. Yun yung mahirap doon.
Wow.
Kasi ball possession pa to ngayon ng St. Benilde.
That's right. Oh. So, 86-81.
Sa pool eh. Tinamaan. But again, they just made a big shot.
Yan yung kino-contest
Oo.
ng coaches. May braso.
Hindi, ang kino-contest nila is dapat walang continuation kasi pumito na before na-release yung bola.
Okay.
Okay, ito yung nangyari. On the post, tingnan mo yung balikat ha. Yung pihit, ayun, tinamaan ng pag-angat. Pero masyadong manipis. Masyadong manipis
Yung
yung
pangalawa, no?
So basket, technical free throw, ball possession to. So that's a big 4-point swing.
Yeah. Big swing.
Oh, kaya po tinatawag nating 4-point swing kasi dapat 4 na puntos to make up and maangatan
Yeah.
yung yun. So wala pa rito, nire-review pa rito. Pinatawag ulit dito, pinare-relax yung
Teka
ating
muna. Oo.
Pinatatawag dito nila commissioner. Dito, pinare-review yung nila deputy commissioner natin, pinare-review yung tawag. So this would be a big call, ah.
For sure. Yeah.
Oo.
Kasi nagrara ng San Sebastian.
Oo. After a big shot, pumito before the jump hook.
Yeah.
If I remember it correctly, pumito na kasi flumap na eh. Automatic it's a technical.
Yeah.
So titignan kung bibigay yung continuation ng basket because this would be a very big field goal.
Yeah. And they're calling on the crew chief. This is Glenn Cornelio just clarifying things on both sides.
Kasi Kuya Dwayne, bumalo nga bola, pumalo nga. Pero sa una kasi, dyan ako, saan ka ba unang pumito? Tignan mo muna yung gauge.
Yun ang kinaklarify nila kung saan siya unang pumito.
Exactly. So anong nangyari nga kasi, narinig natin, kaya gumalaw yung official, bumagsak, tumawag na ng technical,
After
and then na-release yung
una
jump
attempt.
hook.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll see. Pinapa-clarify nila commissioner.
Nakita ko kasi doon, nung humiga siya sa restricted, naalala ko may warning na to eh. So kung dyan, o di iba,
Okay.
kukunin ko yung hindi ko ibabasket yan kasi yun lang,
Yeah.
late lang yung pito ko doon sa Oo, doon. So inanalify ko yung points, pero bibigyan ko ng free throw.
Yeah. That's the right
And
call.
that's the perfect call. Very good job by our official Glenn Cornelio because we heard the whistle. The technical happened before the shot release dahil yung action na bumagsak, namintis nga yung unang jump hook.
Correct.
And then on the ensuing play, na nakabagsak na si Felibrico, tsaka na-shoot
Yeah.
yung field goal. If I
Ano na
remember
yun?
correctly,
Follow-up na yun.
ito, on the post-up. Kasi big call to eh. After a shot, yung pagbomba, yung pagpihit,
Dito.
sa pool eh. Sa pool, tinamaan eh. So ito yung pag-jump hook, mintes eh. So dun yung technical.
Ito yung follow-up.
Very good job. To nullify the basket. And good adjustment then by our referees.
Clarification on the call. Shot was nullified and not basket.
So-
technical foul on number 18, Christian Pellegrino.
So, free throw
for taking a foul.
for
That's the third infraction
technical.
for the Golden Sands.
and then ball
Technical
possession.
free throw for Tony Ino.
So Tony will head to the line for the free throw.
Wala talaga, mintis yung jump hook eh. Unang tira eh. Pwede pang tawagan ng charging, pero manipis eh.
Yeah.
Kasi not excessive yung contact. So it's a bang-bang call, especially in the end game.
Okay. Enots. No problem on the gimme. So we're back to a 4-point game. Inside the final 2 minutes.
All important. Possession for both squads.
Precisely. Trigger man will be Cap Cometa. Cometa. Oh! San Sebastian takes the steal. Oh, Gabat lost it. Are gets into the mix. Jump ball. Teka lang.
Op.
May kulitan.
Relax lang. Bola, jump ball. Ball ban. And they've done it throughout the
Throughout,
season.
yeah, throughout.
Kaya wala kang tulak kapigin sa buong NC.
Yeah.
I mean, Arellano did it
Yeah.
against San Beda.
San Beda.
They took care of business. So, no lead is safe.
That's right. Important possession for Baste. Gabat! Wala. And that's a hold on the rebound against Rex Gabat.
They could have gotten a better shot, but they settled on Polo Gabat settling for a 3. Kasi yung mga atake nila, kumakagat tapos penalty pa yung kalaban.
You're right.
And yung diin nila ng atake, medyo caught off guard yung binild eh.
Yeah. So Justin Sanchez to the free throw line. Calmly sinks the first. This is the third trip to the free throw line today for Justin Sanchez. In the season, he is a very good free throw shooter. 72.4%.
Yep.
Sanchez, although not as productive from the field, has done enough for the Blazers. Only 5 points. But he's gotten his teammates involved today. 5, 10, and 3. Second one. 2 for 2 para dito kay Justin Sanchez. San Sebastian calls for time. A minute and 45 left.
Ancheta. Let's see if they'll try to establish Liwag. Enon pulls up for 3. Allen Liwag. What a pass to Ancheta. And Ancheta is able to score. And gives the lead back to Benilde.
Miscommunication on the San Beda defense. Capitalize na yun.
All right, 1 minute and 45 left dito sa ating laban. It's turning out to be an exciting contest between San Sebastian and Benilde. Remember, if you guys just tuned in, Benilde was ahead by as many as 26 points, 67-41 at one point. Letran waiting in the wings. They have a rivalry game in our main feature today that will be live on GTV and on Heart of Asia. It is San Beda Letran coming up next. That's gonna come at 2:30 p.m. Abangan niyo po yan mga kapuso. But we are not yet done here. San Sebastian will have this possession and they continue to have this small lineup on the floor that enable them to get back in this one.
San Sebastian holds X basketball, 14 seconds.
Big pocket! Aguilar! Gabat! No! Misses the layup! Kahukom! Liwag! Liwag! No! Aguilar collects! Ito na ang San Sebastian. Sorry, missing the earlier play. Oh! Offensive foul on the screen. On Philip Rico.
Dalawang
Offensive foul.
Wow.
18, Christian Pellegrino.
sorry miss.
How about
Coming in for
Ito yung offensive foul. Hard
Hinabol.
bump.
Nahabol eh.
Yeah.
That was a steal.
Kahukom running into Filibrico.
But big miss on the layup by Regs Gabat.
They're gonna look back to that play later. Meantime, crunch time, gut check time in the fourth period. Tony Inot has it. Inot against Filibrico. Oh!
Uy, agaw na naman!
Filibrico with the steal. Forward pass, Escobedo. Touchdown! 85-87. 2-point game. Cometa handles it on top. Here comes the screen. Will not be used. Cometa. No! Filibrico has it. Here's Nico Aguilar. Aguilar. Are for the tie. Yes! 87 all. Fourth deadlock of the game.
Ancheta. Let's see if they'll try to establish Liwag. Inon pulls up for three. Allen Liwag. What a pass to Ancheta. And Ancheta is able to score. And gives the lead back to Benilde.
Miscommunication on the Sunbed.
We are in the middle of a fourth quarter San Sebastian avalanche. Escobedo to cut it down to 2. And that is Buddy at the backcourt. Paeng Are. High arc jump shot to
Partner.
tie the game.
Limang sequence. Nico Aguilar getting a stop, getting a rebound, setting up an attacker, getting one more stop. High IQ player.
Yeah.
Making plays, stacking days. Ito si Nico Aguilar. And last deadlock natin was 36 all.
Yeah.
But now this is more than enough time for CSB to get a basket. Remember, both teams in penalty.
Okay. So, Benilde will not advance it. They want the full 23 seconds to themselves.
Pero kanina nakakagaw dito ang San Sebastian. Both teams have one timeout left.
That's the risk. That's the risk.
At saka gagamble dito to.
Here's the pressure. Torres with the catch. Torres will be trapped. No!
Uy!
They'll review
Tumama
this.
sa paa! Tumama sa tuhod.
Wow. That's the gamble you take, Coach Hammer. If you're advancing it full court against San Sebastian here in the fourth.
Pwede bang paupuin lagi doon si Bong Alvarez? Grabe.
Tignan natin the coach.
Sabi ko sa'yo, parang walo yung kamay nitong mga defensive players. Oh.
Ooh. Okay. Yeah, yun yung sinignal nito ni Gabat.
And the Benilde bench looking shell-shocked.
Yeah.
After we've seen them run so well in the first half.
That's right. Okay. They can't determine from that angle. This is a better look for our officials. Ayun yung tinitignan ngayon ni referee Cornelio. Eto, here's the help by Escobedo. Tap. Oh, yeah. That should give our officials a good look. All right. Yan, tinitignan nila lahat ng angulo dito para malinaw. Ito, from this angle, coach. Okay, 87 all. Grabe yung mga... First game pa lang tayo. Wala pa tayo dun sa main feature natin, yung rivalry game.
Tama ba? Ikaw yung nag-triple overtime?
Ako yun. Latran per
Kasi
peso.
umidlip na ako. Pagbalik ko, Oh, akala ko tapos na.
Di ba?
Tapos inabutan ko yung dalawang 3 points ng Nuna.
Yun. Di pa tapos yun.
Akala,
May dalawang overtime pa pagkatapos.
akala ko balita na eh.
19.1. Ayan na. Zino-zoom na nila to. Okay. From this angle, coach. Here's the top.
Tumama nga sa iyo.
Yeah.
Sa angulo na yun.
Mukhang tumama. Dito kay Ian Torres. Interesting. If you guys are tuned in, Benilde is 5-1, number 1 in the elimination so far. San Sebastian has lost 5 straight games and San Sebastian will have it.
May isang timeout pa dito ang San Sebastian, ha?
Oh, wow. What a turn of events. Now Baste can go for the win. And they have guys who can do it here. Their last lead was 6-4.
Nakakuha sila kanina ng sideline inbound, ha? Kay Nico Aguilar.
Aguilar is the trigger man. Quickly to Escobedo, their leading scorer today. Paengas, 20 points.
1-4.
Are against Kahukom. Are. Aguilar for the lead. Too strong. And Benilde will have 4.1 seconds to operate. They too can go for a final shot. Timeout, Coach Charles. Interesting situation.
Quick hitters to.
Allen, 45 seconds. Ian, Justin. Okay, Tony, screen ka dito. Okay, Allen, punta ka dito. Tamaan mo yung tao ni Ian. Roll inside, we're going inside. Mark, and then Justin, pin down. For Tony here. Pag wala ito, Mark, tapon mo dito. Ian, pag wala dito. Ian, baka matay sa bola. Kunin mo. Ian, Tony, pupunta dito. Ian, Tony, nandito. Ay, Mark, punta dito o punta dito. 4 seconds. Penalty sila. Just go strong. Pag tinapon natin kay Justin, clear out. You gotta drive, Justin. Drop pass, go to the corner. Okay? Tony, screen. Come up. Screen, Ian, roll inside. Okay, nag-arte na.
Okay. Coach, walk us through this final Benilde play.
Screen for Allen Liwag. They want to get inside. Tony will set the screen and then a pin down for an escape pass kung walang inside basket. And then Tony will cook. Pero they want to get a shot inside the shaded area.
Yeah.
Tabla panalo lang to.
4.5 seconds for Benilde. Can they get it done and avoid a complete meltdown? Sanko to trigger. Sanko. Oh! What is that? Escobedo gets it! Escobedo for the win! No! And we go to overtime. Our 4th deadlock of the game will bring us extra 5 minutes of action. That's gonna come up next. Dito lang po sa Heart of Asia.
Alam nyo ba na meron ding Kapuso Stars ang nag-aral sa NCAA schools? Ilan sa mga ito ay sina Yasser Marta na naging team B ng San Sebastian bago lumipat sa LPU. Si Anthony Rosaldo naman ay galing sa Arellano at si Rocco Nasino na naging Mr. Mapua pa. Mga Perpetualites naman sina Kailin Alcantara at Shaira Diaz, habang tubong St. Benilde sina El Villanueva at David Licauco. Proud Bedans naman sina Sofia Ceneron, Christopher Martin at Andre Paras. At syempre, ang kapuso primetime king na si Dingdong Dantes ay galing San Beda at naging miyembro pa nga ng cheering squad nito. Yan ang NCAA sa siglo 1.
Balik sa ating laban, Coach Hammer, here's a quick stat from our Sultan of Stats, Mr. Pong Ducanes. San Sebastian outscored Benil 26-9 in that fourth period, and Are and Escobedo combined outscored the entire Benil team 15-9 in the fourth frame.
Tsaka ang daming turnovers in the fourth quarter ng Benil Blazers. Nung huli kong bilang, before the 2-minute mark, 7 turnovers na sila.
They had 13 in just the fourth quarter, Coach.
13 in the fourth quarter and they had 10 in the first half. So tingnan natin kung babalik yung tining ng takbo ng opensa nila.
All right, extra period. Thank you for joining us on a beautiful, beautiful Tuesday.
Saka Brad, 17 pa yan nung simula ng fourth.
That's right. Sanchez. Ino. Boom! So Benil breaks out of the dry spell with that three-pointer. Paengare. The small lineup of San Sebastian has worked so far. Oh! Muntik maagaw. Aguilar for three!
Long two. Ay, di, 3.
No. They,
Ay, na-just. Long two lang.
just, long two. So, 10 points for Nico Aguilar in just 16 minutes of action. Torres, dalawa sumabay.
Lambot ng atake, hindi tatawagan ng foul.
Look at this. Sanchez, Inot, catch and shoot. Walang problema para kay Tony Inot. But here is the counter of that corner. Sumabit lang yung paan. Ito ni Aguilar dun sa linya. Inside pass. Sanchez ipinilit. Wala. Rebound. Goes to Calabrigo.
Grabe. Sabi ko sa'yo, parang 8 nga yung kamay ng San Sebastian pag fourth quarter.
Yeah. And now Baste has a chance to retake the lead.
17 yun.
Yeah.
Nginat-ngat. This much.
Last time they were in front, it was 6-4. In the fourth, Aguilar, wala. Oh. But it stays with Baste.
Wala ko, ma-offensive rebound pa nung gapat. So ngayon makikita natin, nasubukan eh. May counter punch din ba yung Benil?
Oo, yan.
Kasi ito, hindi nag... 12 rounds, 15 rounds na eh.
This is a test of character for the Blazers right now. Escobedo handles Raymart. Ganda ng pantay ni Sanko dito. Escobedo will blow by. Feed is deflected. Now we go courtside back to Aliyah Fideliaga. Aliyah, go ahead.
In a surprising turn of events, there will definitely be double the action here in overtime. And while the Blazers focus on defense and composure during this period, the Golden Stags believe na kayang-kaya nilang lumaban as they achieve their goal to send a message in today's game. So I say this again, Martin and Coach Hammer, it will all come down to who wants this victory more. Back to you guys.
Thank you so much, Aliyah. While you were reporting,
I am so sorry.
Yeah. Bugso ng emosyon. Crazy things were happening on the court. Back and forth. Steal and the counter steal from both sides.
And both
Tama ka.
empty trips ha, empty trips.
Nico Aguilar, 9 points, 4 out of 7, a rebound and 2 steals, but his impact will not be, or is not reflected.
Yeah. Yung defensive stops na nakukuha nila at saka yung ikot ng bola.
Sanko, Inot, 5 to shoot. Oh! Oh!
Agaw!
Another steal for San Sebastian.
Parang na-space jam yung mga player ng Benilde.
Yeah. 19 steals for Baste. Paeng trying to shake off Sanko. Gabat for 3. Oh, that rimmed out. San Sebastian cannot get over the hump. And here comes Benilde. No. Torres offensive board. Torres brought back. Wala pa rin. Battle for the loose ball. It sails out. Possession for Baste.
Walang makakuha ng baskets. Nandoon yung mga tira ng dalawang teams.
Yeah. Ooh. They've only scored 1 basket apiece dito sa laban natin. So, they'll review this. Important review. Tignan natin to. Tapi ka ng bola. Oh, okay. Was it off Sanchez? Or Aguilar was the one who poked it away?
Hard to tell.
Yeah.
Doon sa angle na yun.
From this angle, tignan natin yung momentum ni Justin Sanchez getting into the scene. Oh, okay. May case ang Benilde.
Pero yung action ng kamay ni Justin, papuntang baseline,
Oo.
dun yung trajectory ng bola.
Bola.
But
Yeah.
again, better vantage point for our officials. Okay.
Okay. Goes to the Blazers.
Upon review, the challenge made by Saint Benil Blazers.
So this
was
challenge is successful for Coach Charles.
Blazers. Substitution for the Golden Stags. Ole Velasco coming in for Nico Aguilar.
Benilde with a chance to extend. Aguilar will take a breather for Baste.
Babalik yan.
Si Velasco yung pinalit. Ito si Tony Inot. Tony Inot off the screen. Tanda. Oy, pero nabasa yung pasa. Outlet. Escobedo with a catch. Scramble. And Hukom catches it. Ah, ball is loose. It's with Gabat. Felebrico. Gabat, wala. Ah, Felebrico. Gives San Sebastian their first taste of the lead since the first quarter. Only the third lead change of the game. 91-90. Liwag puts this one on the floor. Inot. Ilalapit. Tony. Yes!
Hirap na tira para kay Tony Inot. So palitan tayo dito.
Tony Inot with 23 points in the ball game. 80 seconds left. Velasco. Paeng. Felebrico, the drive, lost it. Escobedo for the lead. Yes! Raymond Escobedo with 29 points. Timeout, Benil Blazers with exactly 63 seconds left.
And that's why he is there.
Kaya naman itong EACA, they transferred into a zone.
Manguban drains the triple. Unang punto sa laban natin para kay Lawrence Manguban.
Make the most out of it. Kasi hindi mo alam kung kailan ka ulit gagamitin. Hindi mo alam kung kailan mag-foul ulit yung mga kasama mo, di ba?
That's right.
So, kailangan.
All right, we'll proceed back to the action here in the fourth quarter. 2-point game now in favor of San Sebastian. Ancheta will now be the point guard for Benilde. Sanko is hounded by Are. Under a minute. Ancheta against the taller Velasco. Ancheta. Sanchez inside. Ties it up. Sanchez with the equalizer. Solid execution for Benilde. After that quick pause. Fifth deadlock. 94 all. Escobedo with a career high 29 points today. Raymart against Allen. 5 to shoot. Escobedo needs to go. Step back three. No. Sanko rips out the board. And here comes Jumel Ancheta. One final possession in OT. Oh, Felebrico slipped. Benilde has it. 5 to shoot. Ancheta for the lead. Yes! Jumel Ancheta puts Benilde back in front. 3.3 seconds remaining. And the entire San Sebastian bench is calling for a travel. Only the first field goal for Jumel Ancheta in his return to the Benilde lineup today.
Man,
but
I
what a
told you.
time for it to come.
I told you, this guy is a end game player. Ganda makita natin yung huling atake ni Ancheta kasi nagsimula yun nung nadulas si Felebrico. Nakakuha siya ng buwelo. Ayan, ito na yung nadulas. Humihingi siya ng step-up screen. Susukatin lang yung depensa. Good cross. Oo, may contention. Kasi nung pag-hop, same leg. Same leg on that gather. So, yun ang contention ngayon. Tumalon, same leg. Kahit sa FIBA, traveling. So, may contention ng San Sebastian. But again, gather, hop, same leg landing. Interesting call by our official.
But that was a
Big call.
missed call.
Oo, big call yun. Big call yun. Kasi same leg eh. Yun yung point of contention. Gather.
Ito, coach.
Gather. Makikita
Watch
natin.
out for the right leg.
Hop, right leg. At sa clear travel.
Yep. But it was a missed
Oo,
call.
pero again, tumatakbo yung laro.
Hindi na naitawag.
Oo. There was a point of contention right there.
Alright.
Okay, next play. Ganun naman yan. Hindi naman lahat. I mean, our officials will not get 100% of the calls. So what will you do on the ensuing play?
Yeah.
Kasi important to, they're down by 2, 3.3. You gotta make a field goal here to send us a second overtime. Mr. Suke.
Tignan natin. Felebrico to trigger. Escobedo for the win! No! And Benilde survives! The Blazers avert disaster against San Sebastian. They win it by 2 points off a Jomel Ancheta drive and layup. So the Blazers stay on the winning course. San Sebastian will drop their 6th straight game. Final score is 96-94. Blazers 6-1, sitting at number 1 all alone right there in the team standings.